And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. Good news. In the morning, approximately 10:45 a.m., it'll probably be 11 o'clock, but I'm going to be at the clinic getting inoculated with my first inoculation for COVID-19. I recommend to all of you people out there, get inoculated. Keep on wearing the mask. If anyone gets within 6 feet of you, hit them with your walking stick. When the police come say, hey, he got too close, he's coughing and sneezing. I don't care if it's the truth or not. It's your life. He gets too close, hit him with your stick. If you don't want to wear a mask, you don't want to get vaccinated, go rub up against every Bubba and Bubhead who's coughing and sneezing at a Republican rally. Dot, dot, dot. Anyway, for you people who have a brain, get vaccinated. Wear your mask. Keep people away from you until you're safe. And even then, if they're strangers, get away from me, man. You want to die? Wear your mask. Keep people away from you and get vaccinated. And after that, still be careful.